In this Python tutorial, we will learn how to use the all built-in function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. The all function returns true if all the values sent to it are true, and false if any of them are false. Let's make an example to learn how the all built-in function works. I created a list containing true. I sent the list to the all function and printed it on the console screen with the print command. Since all members in the list are true, the all function will return true. If any of the members in the list is false, the all function will return false. As a number, 0 is false, all other numbers are true. Since the members of the list are 1, the all function returns true. If a member of the list was 0, the all function would return false. String 0 and number 0 do not mean the same thing. String 0 expression has the value true. Therefore, the all function returns true. If the first member was 0, the all function would return false. Let's do a different example. If the turtle code string expression is sent to the all function, it returns true. The all function returns true even if the string expression is empty. Let's do a different example. In a dictionary, the phrase on the left is the determiner. Therefore, the all function returns true. The all function returns true even if one of the values on the right side is 0. Because as I said before, the left side is important. If any value on the left side was 0, the all function would return false. If the value 0 was a string rather than a number, the all function would return true. In this Python tutorial, we learned how to use the all built-in function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.